some. So yummy. I just said about to tell you that I am doing some wings. Yes, yes. And I already cleaned the wings, and now I'm gonna season it. This is a very easy recipe. A little salt, a pepper. This is onion powder. Need more soy sauce than this because you want to drench the soy sauce at the bottom. So, the regular flour is just fine. Probably like a cup, a half a tablespoon of baking soda. You just shake the flour up. Make sure that flour and your flour mixture get on all parts of the wings. You want to shake that extra flour out and put it in. Put it in the oil. Want that oil to be hot, hot, hot. That's it. Let your wings fry about 15 minutes. What is that? Let's get them out. Let's get them out. Out. Out, out, out. Woo! Hot. There you go. Fried chicken wings. So, who's want some? Go ahead. Have some. Have some. Have some. Chicken wing. So, okay, ooh, it's hot. Baby just got it off the grease, honey. Have some. Let me put some hot sauce. Let me put some hot sauce on it for you. Ooh, y'all, it's hot. Drizzle that, honey. Yeah, have some. So yummy. Hot.